What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best air rowing machine. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the CONCEPT2 Model D Indoor Rowing Machine. The Concept 2 Model D is a fantastic indoor rower that has received people's attention. With this best air rowing machine, you'll enjoy a quiet and comfortable workout session for sure. Its ergonomic handle, adjustable footrests, and noise-canceling features will amaze you much. The Concept 2 Model D rower has many useful features. By using an integrated PM5 output detector, you can reliably assess the stroke rate and overall improvement. It is made with an ergonomic nature to make it easy to work. Besides, the flywheel of this portable rowing machine produces fast and silent motions, too. Moreover, this lightweight system comes with a 96x 24 by 14 inches dimension, including an elevated seat measuring 14 inches long. It is also formed with a stainless steel track and aluminum I-beam monorail for a simple and convenient movement. Again, this stainless steel and aluminum built rower machine can be broken down into 2 parts for storage. After you complete your training, you can also turn it mobile with just 8 screws and shift it quickly from one place to another via its caster wheels. Overall, Concept 2 is a well-known and competitive rowing machine manufacturer. Model D is their new and best choice for rowing, currently the most famous rowing machine in the market. Moving on at number 4, we have the BODYCRAFT VR500 rower. The BODYCRAFT VR500 is one of the top-notch models of BODYCRAFT, which brings some pretty impressive gym equipment to the market. The VR500 is BODYCRAFT's most advanced rowing tool. It fuses precisely 32 degrees of magnetic resistance and infinite air resistance. Besides, it features an aluminum trail, 12 preset exercises, wireless heart rate monitoring, and a smooth interface. The number of preset programming would help make the schedule choices both enjoyable and diverse. The BODYCRAFT VR500 has impressive features that integrate some innovative concepts. This VR500's 19-inch seat level facilitates smoother access than other low-profile rowing machines, making it well-suited for a more extensive range of users. And it comes with over 38.5 inches of seat travel, which accommodates users up to 6 feet 8 inches. However, it's relatively big when assembled but can be disassembled into smaller parts, making it fit well in a home gym. Overall, this durable rowing machine offers a commercial rower's signature feel, making it perfect for someone serious about getting fit with a rower. At number 3, we have the CONCEPT2 Model E Indoor Rower with PM5. Concept 2 has been a fitness equipment pioneer for over 3 decades. The company has a long tradition of building premium items that have also been imitated but never duplicated. The Concept 2 Model E Indoor Rowing Machine with PM5 display is designed to work on your entire body and offer a fully effective workout. The noteworthy feature of the Model E that makes it apart from other rowers is the PM5 performance display. Its PM5 performance monitor offers many exercises and sports and helps transfer the data to computers and online apps. This PM5 performance display shows your real-time exercise data such as stroke pace, strength, etc. It also performs as a heart rate sensor if you wear a heart rate chest brace and show your heart rate. Moreover, Model E features a nickel-plated drive chain, a hard-wearing fan, and easy to manage. Its rowing handle is ergonomically curved for support, and its raised 20-inch seat height allows users to get comfortable on and off from the rower. It has a preset workout program, and you can easily customize your workout. Afterward, the Concept 2 Model E rowing machine is easy to use. The wheel configuration of this rowing machine makes fast and quiet movement for each stroke. This rowing machine is lightweight, small, and simple to store for its portability and ease. It can be broken into 2 parts for better transport or storage and can also be stood upright when not in operation, which is a helpful feature for your home gym. Besides, the rowing machine offers a solid warranty of its efficiency. At number 2, we have the XTERRA Fitness ERG400 Air Folding Rower. The XTERRA ERG400 rower is designed for people at all fitness levels. It has the best computer console that you will find in this price range. It combines 16 different resistance levels, a conveniently adjustable console angle, and dual aluminum track rail systems. Its main console offers a regular readout when exercising, and there are several fitness profiles that you can turn on. These fitness profiles provide already installed intense workouts. Through using them, you will realize that you're receiving a perfect workout. Moreover, the ERG400 rower has a solid aluminum rail and a wide cushioned seat so that you feel relaxed throughout your regular exercise. Besides, the rail features smooth and fast movement. You can also adjust the intensity by setting up the 16 resistance levels. Furthermore, it comes with a variation of air and a magnetic resistance mechanism. Therefore, you will love the rowing feel. Again, the display on this rowing machine is very detailed and shows you just about everything you need to know about your workouts. You can review all the data during the exercise, such as elapsed time, stroke rate, size, calories, and watt. So start making waves by your exercise sessions today on the XTERRA ERG200 rowing machine and achieve your expectations to the utmost. Overall, it's a perfect investment that comes with many rewards. And finally at number 1, we have the Stamina ATS Air Rower. It is only through hard work and commitment that one can shape the healthy body they crave. Stamina ATS Air Rower is an excellent piece of exerciser that takes your intensive strength building and aerobic exercise experience to the next level. Stamina ATS Air Rower's architecture will give you both an additional appealing edge as well as a reasonable price point. This Stamina home rowing machine operates concurrently with each stroke in the upper and lower body to ensure quick and easy rowing exercise at home. Your workout's resistance depends on you, and it is easy to change your level of resistance. The machine will follow your movement and the level of resistance when you row more or more quickly. Only slow down for less resistance. Moreover, the Stamina Air Rower uses an oversized rail to ensure that the seat can slide smoothly, no matter what size you are. The rowing machine seat is super comfortable, mainly though you work out for longer than usual. Textured grips and oversized footplates contribute to your convenience and keep your hands and feet secure in the rowing motions. Overall, the use of this incredible rowing machine has many health benefits. This is one of the best air rowing machines for creating a solid back and strengthening the cardiovascular system. It helps to burn calories and fat more effectively. For sure, the Stamina Air Rower offers you a low-impact solution to running without the possibility of injury. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.